Here's how you can add an admin to your Facebook page. First, go ahead, open your Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device according to your choice. Then tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Now you need to go ahead and change your Facebook main profile to your page. Once you've done that, tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen of your Facebook page. Then scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy, and go to Settings. From this page, you need to scroll down and go to the Audience and Visibility tab. Now tap on the Page Setup option that is below the Stories option. Tap on that. Now on this page, you'll get four different options of name, page access, page management history, page status, and page recommendation. Go ahead, tap on Page Access option that is below the name. Now you can search for your friend's name and select their profile. You'll see access options. So go ahead, tap on Add New in the top, then search their name or username, and you'll get the option of Full Control Toggle. Go ahead, enable that if you want to give them control over your page. Then give access at the bottom and enter your profile password and then tap on Confirm. Your friend will now appear in the page access page, and they have 31 days to accept the invitation to become an admin. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.